Oh, we got another one going the other way. I don't think I want to make noise though, so we're all right. Okay, let's go. All right, so now that we got the engine uncrated and we got it on this engine stand, it's time for us to look at how we're going to paint it. Let's talk about how we're going to mask off this engine right now, because the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to remove all the chrome items. We're going to mask off exhaust ports, spark plug holes, the engine valley, kind of etc. All right, here we go. First step we're going to do is we're going to pull off the valve covers and then also the timing cover. So to make things simple, we'll use power tools. All right, valve cover one. Son of a bitch, that cut me right open. And if you overlap the tape like this, it stays nice and strong. Not like we're going to be doing a lot anyways, we're just really kind of keeping all of the overspray out of the valley, but pay close attention to the detail here. And I want to cut this just right so it looks nice and clean. Obviously the silicone is going to stick on there. All right, so we're ready. We're all masked off. I've got the whole top of the valley here done, the rocker arms, did the exhaust ports, what else? Timing chain, made sure we did spark plugs. So basically everything's all masked off. I just want to take some brake cleaner and run it maybe on the aluminum part. You can spray a little bit, spray it down, make sure that stuff's really clean. On the paint, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down with the rag rather than spraying directly on it. I'm just trying to get all of the oil off of it so it'll have good adhesion. So I want to make sure that everything's fully dry and everything's had time to evaporate out.